Say that.
Teuida.
Teuida. And your name is
Yeji.
Yeji. And why Teuida?
The meaning behind it means to open your mouth, or like when you first learn the language, and then when you get like as a baby learn the language of it, and when they start to babble like the word hello, we say, oh, the baby Teuida. It's like their mouth is open, you know.
And is that one of the phrases you get to learn off of this app?
Actually, no, we actually didn't teach this word, but we should.
So what this is we're in the Google booth, by the way, and we're here at the Korea-US Summit, Go Together Summit, and we're talking about this app called Teuida. Teuida.
Yeah, very hard to pronounce.
Yeah, very much. And it's about learning the language. So and you're doing it slightly different than the other ways.
Yes, we are. You know, like Duolingos or like Drops, they are basically focusing on like vocabularies, grammars, you know, all about memorization. But we do things kind of slightly different by we actually have a lot of different exercises where you can actually apply what you learned. So we focus on speaking by interacting with actors and actresses in the videos. You get to practice speaking a lot of times. And then you'll just, you know, naturally memorize the expressions to use. Yeah.
It's kind of like if you've ever done a choose your own adventure.
Right.
Except the adventure being the fact that you'd have to speak the phrase that you're given correctly. Because if you don't,
then they go like, what did you say?
Yeah.
Like, what are you talking about?
But then you have the interaction with them. Like we're having an interaction right now. And if you started speaking Korean while I was speaking English, everybody would get completely confused. But if there's text underneath that, then you know that there's a conversation. Because we're not, how many times do you say, how is the weather?
Yeah.
Or anything like that. You know, we've done a couple of the apps and we're learning about pineapple. Do you have a lot of pineapple in Korea?
No, it's really hard to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the word for pineapple? Because I don't remember it.
Right? It's pineapple. Surprise!
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. But anyway, the whole point is that there's going to be a little bit more interaction. We saw the app a little bit. It was really nice that they were at they were doing some touristy stuff, and then there was a point where you were supposed to say something, and then you kind of do the pronunciation. It's just pretty cool.
Yeah. So we try to provide like various contents, like not just like touring Korea, but actual expressions that you could use when you're in Korea. So for example, we have an episode where you have to talk to a taxi driver to like go to a certain direction, or like maybe you met a girl that you really like, what to say to that girl, you know? So we actually teach really helpful expressions to use in daily lives.
Well, first of all, you got to learn the different types of taxis. Don't go in the black car taxis.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's very
The
fun.
silver car taxis are the ones you go to.
Yes.
So, and the buses, the green versus the red
And the blue.
and the blue.
Yeah,
Yeah. So I learned a lot myself, but I had to learn it on my own. So this is nice. And you get to see a little bit of Korea as you do that.
Yes, you can, definitely.
Thank you. Oh. Are there other languages, or is it just Korean right now?
It's just Korean right now, but we try to expand it as we go. Yeah.
Okay. And is it just English, or are there other languages?
So we provide it in 4 different languages: Chinese, Portuguese, Japanese, and English.
Okay, so that's Korean to
yes.
Chinese, Portuguese, Italian, and English. Okay,
That's
perfect.
correct.
So if you do know Italian, you could definitely really test your skills here. So
Definitely.
is it the same thing? Are you using? Is it same actors, the same video? Or are you using
you're correct, but different translation.
So it's dubbed over.
Yeah.
Okay. Just like Squid Game.
Right. It's actually not dubbed because they are only speaking in Korean, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's all like
Okay.
subtitles. So
the
very
AI
cost efficient,
yeah.
right?
Okay, so the AI takes the help. Yeah, okay, perfect. So this app is out, correct?
Yes. And then we currently have over 2 million users.
Wow.
Yeah, we're doing well.
Any good success stories? Somebody that came in and just started speaking Korean, thanking you? Or?
Oh, actually, we have a lot of like testimonial videos how our users finally got to speak Korean like confidently when they were like in the States. Like once they find like random Koreans, they just go up to them and like, oh guys, I know Korean, I learned through Teuida, you know, 안녕하세요, you know.
All right, so it's a freemium model app, and there's in paid. How does that work?
So basically it's freemium, so everyone can use it for free, but there's ads, of course. So if you don't want to be...
Are the ads in Korean?
No.
Okay.
It's in...
So it's not saying
wherever you are.
play Candy Crush in Korean. I think that would be great if you did all those
No,
Korean
actually,
ads.
we have Candy Crush in Korea too.
Yeah, I know, but have that
Oh,
play
in Korean.
play Candy Crush in Korean
Oh.
instead, and then get immersed in there.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
we got interrupted.
So,
okay.
so freemium model, but then the pay part is
Yeah, the pay part is if you want to get rid of the ads, then you have to buy the subscription. Not the subscription. You have to buy the plan. It's actually a monthly plan. We have a monthly plan, 3 months plan, and 12 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm assuming there's a discount for the 3 month and 12
yeah,
months.
and then
Okay.
right.
And is this just Google or is it iOS as well?
Both.
Both.
So App Store and Google Play.
Okay, perfect. And where's your website?
Our website, it's like just a Teuida.net.
.net? Okay.
Teuida.net, but we don't really use the website, so just use the app.
Well, okay, so you look up the app, and that's TEUIDA.
.net.
.net. So Teuida.
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 Yes.
Teuida.
Oh, you said it correctly.
Yeah, because it's like T,
Uh-huh.
T, da. Yeah,
Teuida.
Teuida.
Yeah.
And it mean, what does it mean again?
Oh, it's like, you like finally open your mouth, so you finally know how to speak, like something like that. It's like hard to explain. Korean is hard.
I'll never know how to speak. It's just me. So, thank you very much I already forgot your name.
Yeji.
Yeji, that's
Yes.
Yeji. Thank you very much for your time. Teuida, Yeji.
Yes.
I'm learning new words as I go along for about 15 minutes. So, all right, and we got a lot more here at the Korea U.S. Summit here in New York City. Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine. Think Magazine put in a geek, you got me. See, I have to explain my own website. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, the bell notification. It's right there, and that'll get you to the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, you guys, geek out.